Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto emoji in Discord. So in this case, you have to go to Discord first, log into Discord account. After that, after login, uh, go to user settings. After user settings, you will find here in user settings, just scroll down and you'll find text and images. This option under the app settings, text and images. Click on text and images, and then scroll down and you'll find automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. Okay, so if you have to turn this off, just turn off this. If you want to on this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.